Hello, Susannah here from the Good Property Company. And what you want to do, subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a look at our website. So in our YouTube channel, we've divided things into playlists for you guys. So if you're particularly interested in a certain subject, just check out the playlist. And our website is thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. We've got tons of resources for you guys. Videos, examples of our own case studies, examples of my houses, and lots of online education for you guys as well. So have a good explore of both the YouTube channel and also the website. Right, another way, in fact, this is the way I paid off my first house. I'll move forward. I'm in Barcelona. This is Gaudi's first house, and I'm here visiting my son, who's now a man-child of 21 and has graduated from his course and is now living in Barcelona. So we're having a great time with him. So how did I pay off my first mortgage? Well, actually it was a combination of buying a number of houses, capital gains and buy to sell. So many of you probably know my story. I'll very briefly run through it. I've run a sourcing business. We sourced over 200 deals, 45 million quid's worth of end value that we sourced for 30 million quid. So skill number one is buying stuff discounted, renovating so that straight away you've locked all your value in. And I was able to grow my own personal portfolio very, very quickly because I was able to buy very discounted, renovate and refinance. So my interest wasn't at the beginning to pay off mortgages, because my interest was to grow a property portfolio, which allows me now to come hang out at Gaudi's house, visit the 21-year-old man-child. He'll be very upset if you hear me call them that, and just really have a good time while my team are managing my properties at home. I also love the education side, which is why I do these videos and why we do mentoring stuff. So for me, it was less about I want to pay the mortgage off in the early days and more about I want to plough all the cash that I can pull out of these properties and all of the profit I'm pulling out my rentals straight back into purchasing. But I paid my first mortgage off 3 months ago, and how I did that was I'd actually grown a portfolio. I was making very good financial profits from the buy to sells, and which got ploughed back in, which meant that my loan to values are not enormous, and I was also making good profit on the daily. I've got single let serviced accommodation, shared houses, all that stuff. And so I was able to take the profit from the day-to-day rental portfolio, and I was also able to refinance one of my properties, if you see what I mean, to pay off an entire property. So it was a combination of capital growth, refinancing to the original purchase price, and then also day-to-day profit. And I paid off my first mortgage, that's after growing a nine-figure portfolio in 9 years. I paid off my first mortgage, and of course now what that means is that property is unencumbered, it makes more profit, it costs less, and so the monthly profit from the whole portfolio is increased, and then that means that we'll be able to pay off the next property quicker straight from mortgages. So I've taken a slow route to paying off properties, and which was to grow, do buy to sell, buy more properties, grow, do buy to rent, buy more properties, stop. And I stopped buying temporarily, this is about 17 months ago. The accumulation of profit plus a little bit of refinancing allowed me to pay the first property off. So that now is unencumbered. That has reduced costs, which means, like dominoes, boom, 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 the next property, which will be a greater accumulation of day-to-day profit from the rentals, will pay off the second one. I'm already planning the number of properties I'm going to pay off this year. So that was kind of the slow, steady route to it, rather than going super fast like I suggested in another video, which is all about buy to sell. That was about growing a portfolio, so having the assets to pay day-to-day bills, and then when the assets plus a little bit of capital growth was big enough, I then paid off a whole one. So my next stage is probably more twofold. Number one is identifying the properties that I'm going to pay off next. Number two is identifying the additional growth I can have within the portfolio, within, if you like, the footprint. So I'm looking at, I've got planning permission to build some flats. I've got just about to obtain planning permission to build houses. So I'm basically making a greater value out of the asset, and then I've got a choice: do I split, sell, or do I split and have a lower loan to value, which then has a knock-on effect to say, okay, my loan to value is much lower, and therefore my funding costs will be significantly lower, and therefore because I'm going to have more things to rent out, so my income will go up, my costs will go down, my profit goes up, and all of that profit then pays off the next one. So that's kind of the slow boat to China, which was my route. But I've also got a video which suggests a very fast route, which is about running a buy to sell. So you've got two choices, haven't you? You either do buy to sell and sit with a beautiful property unencumbered that you sit in and just go, right, I've got strong freedom now, but you don't have residual income coming in, or you've got a slower route. But guys, this only took me 9 years. I mean, you know, it's not the lifetime, you know, mortgage until death do we part. And you've got the slower route where I paid off my first property about 3 months ago, but I've got very, very large underlying assets which pay all of my bills, including all my coffees in Barcelona. And now, with that delayed gratification, I'm now ticking off properties really rather rapidly and restructuring the finance so that the finance is much cheaper because my loan to values are much smaller. Both good routes, aren't they? I mean, it's not exactly the rat race, and I don't look like I'm very stressed right now. Yeah, no, I'm not. I mean, I have to say the growth of the portfolio was an accumulation of multiple sleepless nights. Let's not pretend it's super easy, but boy, I'm brilliant. I'm so grateful to be out the other side, and I hope that things go well for you guys. So, subscribe to the videos. I'm going to keep producing vids for you. Check out the playlist and check out our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. We've got tons more stuff that's really useful for you. I share loads of stuff I use, and I've written a whole bunch of packs, workshops, or downloadable stuff for you guys to succeed. See you soon. Bye.